Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet easy. First, gather your ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, a small nonstick pan, and any fillings you desire, like cheese or vegetables. Whisk the eggs vigorously with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are light and frothy. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in an 8-inch nonstick pan over medium heat, ensuring it's evenly coated. Once your pan is ready, pour the whisked eggs directly into the hot pan, tilting it gently to ensure the bottom is fully covered. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the edges begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked liquid egg to flow underneath and cook. Now it's time for your delicious fillings. Sprinkle your chosen ingredients, such as shredded cheese or pre-cooked vegetables, onto 1/2 of the partially set omelet. Continue cooking for another 30 seconds or so until the eggs are mostly set but still appear moist and slightly soft. Finally, using your spatula, carefully fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the half with the fillings. Your perfect omelet is ready. Gently slide it from the pan directly onto a plate to serve immediately. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh herbs like chives or parsley. Enjoy your easy, delicious meal. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.